Introducing the heavy-duty off-road buggy UTV by Yatian A4WD utility side-by-side vehicle perfect for all your outdoor adventures. This electric utility vehicle boasts automatic transmission EPA, EEC, and CE certifications, and a sturdy steel frame covered by a cardan for transportation. With a spacious 2-seat capacity, this UTV measures 2750-1550 1185 millimeters and features a powerful electric motor. Made in Guangzhou, China, this UTV has a maximum forward speed of 24 to 30 kilometers per hour and a gradient climbing ability of 30%. Don't miss out on this reliable and versatile off-road vehicle.